You know what's better in the morning than a delicious lemon muffin? A delicious lemon muffin with streusel topping. And do you know what's even better than that? Is a delicious lemon muffin with streusel topping and lemony glaze. Oh yes, you can make this too. The streusel topping is very easy to put together, so let's start with that. Mix the flour, sugar, lemon zest, and melted butter together until it forms crumbs, and then just set it aside in the fridge. Grease your muffin pan with butter or a little bit of oil, or use paper liners. Muffins are simply a combination of dry ingredients and wet ingredients mixed together gently. So start with combining the dry ingredients in a bowl. Then mix the wet ingredients together. Cream the butter and sugar with a hand mixer for about 5 minutes until it's light in color and fluffy. Then mix in the rest of the wet ingredients just until blended. Add the dry ingredients and combine gently. Do not overmix at this point. Now the secret to muffins with a high dome is to start at a high temperature for a few minutes. So bake these muffins at 425 degrees for 8 minutes. Then, without opening the door, drop the temperature to 350 degrees for 12 more minutes. Let the muffins cool in the pan and then out of the pan. The glaze is also really easy to make. Thin it to the right consistency by adding more sugar for thicker, or more juice or a little water for thinner. Glaze the cooled muffins and let them set up for just a few minutes, if you can wait. These delicious muffins are lemony and light. You can serve them for breakfast or brunch, but they make a pretty stellar coffee break snack if you ask me.